how to turn off and disable communication and messages on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to roblox.com. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go here, click on settings. It will take you to this page. Click here and click here on default and choose off. Now the communication is off. No one can send you a message and no one can chat with you in the app, and also no one can chat with you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.